Hey guys, this is our last video for a while.
About a week, but did you vomit? It sounded like you vomited.
I know. Well, that's gonna be it. Well, never mind.
Okay, Taryn, you do some burps.
Hey guys. He can't do it that good.
I know. I'm doing terrible. Hey guys, this will be our last video for like a week.
So goodbye, subscribe, like, bye.
Oh no, no!